Shopify's out-of-the-box checkout is a robust tool that meets the needs of most businesses. However, for merchants with unique requirements, checkout extensions offer an additional layer of customization. UI extensions allow you to offer your customers a personalized journey from cart to order confirmation, while maintaining the reliability and efficiency of Shopify's core checkout system. These extensions allow developers to add features that enhance customer interaction during checkout, like the ability to select specific options, enter additional information, or make choices that influence orders. For example, you can implement product offer extensions that suggest relevant upgrades or complementary items at checkout. Additionally, checkout extensions give you the flexibility to add elements like date pickers, custom banners, loyalty programs, and more. These interactive features can appear in different parts of the checkout process, as well as on the thank you and order status pages. This flexibility allows valuable customization of your UX design. With UI extensions, you can show content that changes based on various factors, such as cart contents and customer information. Let's take a closer look at some examples of extensions you can add and the value they offer. You could implement a delivery date picker extension. By strategically placing this feature after the shipping options, you allow customers to choose their preferred delivery date from a calendar. This is particularly valuable for businesses that offer time-sensitive products or services, as it gives customers more control over their shopping experience. Another useful checkout extension is a post-purchase survey, which could be placed on the thank you page after order completion. It might include a short satisfaction survey or ask customers how they heard about the store. By placing this extension on the thank you page, you're separating post-purchase interactions from the critical checkout process. This ensures that the checkout remains streamlined while still allowing for additional customer engagement after the sale. The key is to think about the customer journey and where each piece of functionality makes the most sense. Checkout extensions should enhance and streamline the purchase process, while post-purchase extensions can focus on gathering information or encouraging further engagement without the risk of disrupting a sale.